18-year-old Shrikrishna is regarded as one of the most talented players in Indian snooker and billiards circuit right now. And Shrikrishna already in the quarterfinals. How do you rate your chances in this tournament here in Bambolim?
First of all, I thank the organizers who made this beautiful tournament at very good tables, venues, and it's extremely very good. I don't, guess my chances or anything. I just want to come and play my game, and it's all up to God.
I've gone through your record, your profile, and there are hosts of medals that you have won. It's been impressive track record as I see it. Could you take us through your journey? When did you start playing competitive snooker and billiards?
2010, I started playing in a club called Mylapur Club. So one day I was seeing my parents playing this game, and suddenly I was a tennis player before that.
I see.
So I came in and then I wanted to play this game, and because first thing which motivated me was we can have food and we can play. Cool. And second thing was the AC. So I started playing this game, and I thought it was not an athletic sport, but yes, we need fitness for this sport also. I won sub-junior, my first sub-junior snooker was in 2016, Indore.
And your world championship as well in under-21 billiards in 2015.
Yeah.
That must have been your major motivational factor now to give you a boost for your future?
My motivation factor was not the world championship I won, but in that world championship I also played the seniors against the most famous and very experienced player in this game called Peter Gilchrist.
Oh.
And he's many times world champion.
Sure.
So I was playing with him in 2 hours format, and in the first 45 minutes we are going to neck. And then he said, "Kiddo, please sit down for about half an hour." And he made me sit for half an hour. He made a 375 break. I still remember that break.
Wonderful.
So, and then after that, after the match, he told me, "You have very good potting and you have good knowledge. Just that you need to increase the stamina in what you're playing." So that was the best moment I had.
Really wonderful. You also were a wild card entry for the Indian Open professional circuit last year in India.
Yeah, that was a very lucky chance, and I thank the BSFA committee for giving me that opportunity. And it has been a turnaround for me because I knew how this game should be played in professional circuit and how safety is very important in professional. I'm a very aggressive player. I don't like to play much of safety. But when I went into the circuit, first thing, Mr. John Higgins, who is 4-time professional circuit world champion, he told me, we rate the player according to their safeties, not with their breaks.
Oh.
So that was a very shocking moment for me, and it just turned around my snooker career from then.
You also have your father as your coach. It must be a very special relationship with him now.
Yeah, he left his job for me and got into this game. He's also coached 2 girls. One of them is world under-16 champion called Anupama.